Mastering product backlog ownership is one of the most important responsibilities of a product owner. The product backlog represents the single source of work for the product team and acts as a living list of everything that may be built, improved, or fixed. A well-managed backlog helps ensure the team is always working on the most valuable items first. For a product owner, the backlog becomes the central tool used to guide development and deliver value to customers. One of the first activities in backlog ownership is creating clear user stories. User stories help translate business needs into understandable pieces of work that the development team can implement. A typical user story follows the structure. As a user, I want to perform an action so that I receive a benefit. This format helps connect the technical work to the real customer problem being solved. Good user stories focus on outcomes rather than just features. Instead of describing only what the system should do, the story explains why it matters to the user or the business. This approach helps the team understand the purpose behind the work and encourages better design decisions during development. Prioritizing backlog items is another critical responsibility. Because development teams have limited time and capacity, not everything can be built at once. The product owner must decide which items provide the greatest value and should be delivered first. This ensures that each sprint or iteration contributes meaningful progress toward product goals. Backlog refinement is an ongoing collaboration between the product owner and the development team. During refinement sessions, stories are clarified, acceptance criteria are added, and large items are broken into smaller pieces. This process really helps ensure that backlog items are ready before they enter a sprint or development cycle. Refinement also improves estimation accuracy. When the team clearly understands the scope and purpose of a backlog item, they can provide better effort estimates. This helps the product owner make more informed prioritization decisions and maintain realistic delivery expectations. Another responsibility of backlog ownership is ensuring that each item delivers business value. The product owner must constantly ask whether a story contributes to customer satisfaction, revenue growth, operational efficiency, or product improvement. If a backlog item does not clearly support product value, it may need to be reworked or removed. Removing outdated or low-value items is also an important part of backlog management. Over time, products evolve and priorities change. Ideas that once seemed important may no longer be relevant. Cleaning up the backlog prevents confusion and keeps the team focused on meaningful work. So, a well-managed backlog should always remain prioritized. The highest value items really need to appear at the top of the backlog so the team can quickly identify what should be built next. This kind of ordering creates transparency and helps align the development team with the business priorities. Clarity is another key characteristic of a healthy backlog. Each story should be understandable, include acceptance criteria, and be small enough for the team to complete within a sprint. When backlog items are clear, developers spend less time seeking clarification and, instead, more time delivering working solutions. Product owners often use prioritization techniques such as value versus effort, customer impact, risk reduction, and business urgency. These methods help compare backlog items and determine which work should be completed first. By applying structured prioritization and maintaining a clean, well-organized backlog, the product owner ensures the development team continuously delivers the highest possible value.